fool for thinking maybe I could get over, or I could be stronger than the fear in my mind. See, Mama always told me I was meant to be a light in the darkness, but I feel like a candle waiting for a flame. And she said, keep on getting stronger, keep on getting wiser, my dear. Don't give in to the forces, don't succumb to your fear. Oh Mama, I pray that I'll stay strong. Oh Mama, I pray that I'll stay strong. But do you see me, oh Lord, when I look to you for an answer? I need you to tell me how to carry on. And he said, keep on getting stronger, keep on getting wiser, my dear. Don't give in to the forces, don't succumb to your fear. Oh Mama, I pray that I'll stay strong. Oh Mama, I pray that I'll stay strong. Show me now if I've lost my way. I reach for freedom from within my cage. Search for meaning whenever I'm afraid. Oh Mama, I pray that I stay strong. Oh Mama, I pray that I'll stay strong. Oh Mama, I pray that I'll stay strong. Oh Mama, I pray that I'll stay strong.
This dance is called Stronger in My Mind, choreographed by Raymond, Sarlemijn, and Verdonk. It's a 32 count, 2-wall, advanced level rolling 8 count line dance. There's one bridge in this dance. Section 1, starting with the feet apart, with both hands to the side, and rotate upper body, make a half turn to your right. Full turn to your left, hit your right foot, press right foot forward facing 6, recover, hit your right, weave, behind, side, cross, side, behind, sweep your left, back, hook your right, quarter turn right, forward facing 9, half turn right, stepping back, sweep your right facing 3, right sailor, behind, side, side, touch left foot behind. Section 2, quarter turn left, forward rock, raise right arm forward, recover, half turn to your right, step back on your left foot and hit your right, coaster, half turn to your right. Step right foot back together, half turn right, step right foot forward, facing 12, mambo half turn to your left, forward rock, recover, half turn to your left, step forward, sweep your right, facing 6, twinkle, cross, side rock, recover, half turn to your right, point left to the side, facing 12 o'clock. Section 3, cross, quarter turn left, back, hook your right, facing 9, forward, half turn right, step back, hook your left, facing 3, step left foot forward, quarter turn left, stepping on the side, facing 12, touch behind, unwind, 3/4 turn to your left, sweep your right, facing 3, jazz box, cross, back, side, side. Now you're facing 3 o'clock. Last section, stomp your right foot and raise right arm forward, ball step, half turn right, facing 9. Half turn to your right, stepping back. Quarter turn right, stepping on the side, facing 6. Ball step. Pivot half turn to your left, facing 12. Half turn to your left, step right foot to the side, facing 6. Slap on your thighs. Right, left, clap. Now you're facing 6. Start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 and 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8 and 1. In this dance, there's a 6-count bridge during word 2 after 29 counts. Now let me show you word 2 with counts starts facing 6 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 and 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now at the 6-count bridge, walk around, full turn to your left. Step in, right, left, right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then continue the dance. 8 and 1. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.